Welcome to the world's most underwhelming magic show, where our magician makes the audience's expectations vanish. Today, he promises a spectacle, the teleporting object. Behold an ordinary mug to cross the room by his mind. With a flick, he attempts a clumsy assistant hidden nearby. Ah, the mug transcended, shattered in 1,000 pieces. The mug's gone, and swiftly follows the magician's dignity. Fear not, a dollar bill to teleport promises intact. 1, 2, 3, poof, yet the assistant's wallet grows. Now a watch vanishes. Volunteer both impressed and late. Our Houdini waves his wand, caution thrown to the wind. Finally, a teleportation that defies all explanation. Assistant in smoke, a dramatic reveal, but absent. If you spot someone in sequins, please return them here. Witness the most perplexing magic and a vanished magician.